Hi, Sec. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Recently, the ICC released the document containing the 3 counts of murder charges filed by the prosecution against former President Rodrigo Duterte. Just want to ask the palace reaction on this.
No reaction. The government, the Philippine government has nothing to do with the investigation, with the hearing or proceedings before the ICC. So hayaan na po natin ang mga prosecutors doon at ang mga witnesses na silang gumanap ng kanilang katungkulan.
Related question mula kay Let Narciso.
Ma'am, hingi lang po rin kami ng reaction. Sinabi kasi ni VP Sara na may may bansa na nahandang tumanggap kay dating Pangulong Duterte sakaling mapagbigyan yung kanyang interim release. Ano po reaction ng Malacanang?
Nagbunga naman po yata ang madalas niyang pagbabiyahe. So kung yan ay good news po sa kanila at kung ano po ang magiging desisyon ng ICC, tatanggapin naman po yan ng pamahalaang Marcos Jr.